Inland plantations cultivate premium beans, forming the agricultural foundation behind every cup of Nescafé coffee.
Mechanical harvesting accelerates collection, supporting the massive bean demand required for Nescafé coffee manufacturing.
Skilled labor and simple tools remain essential in producing the beans behind Nescafé coffee.
Washing prepares cherries hygienically, ensuring clean raw material enters the Nescafé coffee production chain.
Wet processing begins the engineered journey, transforming freshly harvested cherries into beans for Nescafé coffee. Powerful washing channels cleanse fermented beans thoroughly, ensuring purity standards required for premium Nescafé coffee production.
The moisture levels on the patio batch are dropping faster than the mechanical.
Yes, the humidity outside is lower today.
Moisture monitoring technology safeguards bean stability for efficient Nescafé coffee processing.
Packaged green beans depart mills, advancing toward large-scale Nescafé coffee factory transformation.
Global logistics networks converge here, delivering essential green beans for continuous Nescafé coffee factory production.
Laboratory sampling defines flavor potential, guiding blending decisions across Nescafé coffee production lines.
Cleaning and destoning ensure pure raw material enters Nescafé coffee roasting systems.
Control rooms synchronize logistics and roasting schedules, powering global Nescafé coffee factory productivity. Industrial roasting drums ignite transformation, developing the deep aromatic identity of Nescafé coffee. Rapid cooling stabilizes roasted beans, preserving essential aroma compounds within Nescafé coffee. Color scanning guarantees roast uniformity, essential to Nescafé coffee production standards.
Roasted beans advance toward grinding, preparing for soluble extraction in Nescafé coffee production.
Precision grinding transforms roasted beans into extraction-ready particles for Nescafé coffee production.
Hot water extraction dissolves soluble compounds, forming the liquid base of Nescafé coffee.
Evaporation concentrates coffee extract, intensifying soluble solids for Nescafé coffee manufacturing.
Prepared extract advances toward drying, the step creating recognizable instant Nescafé coffee crystals.
Spray drying transforms liquid extract into powdered Nescafé coffee through rapid moisture evaporation technology. Vacuum sublimation removes frozen moisture while preserving the sensory integrity of Nescafé coffee.
The solubility improved, but the particle distribution is still uneven.
Agreed. We need to adjust the drying temperature by another 5 degrees.
Moisture reduction safeguards shelf life and storage stability of Nescafé coffee.
Dried Nescafé coffee advances toward packaging, nearing completion of factory manufacturing.
Glass jar filling lines portion Nescafé coffee powder with precision for premium retail presentation. Labeling systems brand every unit of Nescafé coffee powder for global market identity. Retail boxing organizes Nescafé coffee powder products into consumer-ready packaging formats. Palletizing prepares finished Nescafé coffee powder for global logistics and retail delivery. Finished Nescafé coffee powder enters vast automated warehouses, awaiting global distribution through synchronized logistics systems. Palletized Nescafé coffee powder is loaded into freight containers, beginning its journey across international trade routes. Retail supply chains ensure Nescafé coffee powder remains constantly stocked, meeting daily consumer demand worldwide.
Here is the Nescafé bulk shipment you ordered. Everything looks correct on the manifest.
Thank you, we will take it from here.
So the gold blend goes here, next to the sachets.
Yes, make sure the aroma sign is visible above this row.
From farm origins to final cup, Nescafé coffee powder completes its remarkable global industrial journey.